Hey guys, in example 1 here, we're going to use our unit circle, which you have built, to help us find exact values. So cosine 210 degrees. So 210 degrees I see is right here on my unit circle. It's also 7 pi over 6 radians. So cosine is my x value, sine is my y value. So without doing any work with my unit circle, my answer is negative square root 3 over 2. Isn't that beautiful? Now, 300 degrees, negative 300, is not on this. We only have positive angles. So I'm going to find my positive coterminal angle by adding 360 degrees. So this is really the same as sine of 60 degrees. So when it's negative, I find my coterminal angle, which is in the same exact spot. So now 60 degrees, if I zoom in on my unit circle, 60 degrees is here, pi over 3 radians. It goes cosine sine. So my answer is positive square root 3 over 2. Unit circle is quite helpful. So now in part C, tangent of 5 pi over 6. So let's see, 5 pi over 6 is on my unit circle. It's right here in quadrant 2. So remember that tangent is the same as sine of 5 pi over 6 over cosine of 5 pi over 6. We only have sine and cosine. So sine is 1/2 my y value divided by cosine, which is negative square root 3 over 2. Now, to simplify or to divide by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. 1/2 multiplied by 2 over square root 3 negative. So then I see that my 2's would cancel. So I have negative 1 over square root 3, rationalizing my denominator without showing any work. Negative square root 3 over 3. So when we find tangent, we do sine over cosine. So now tangent of negative pi over 2. Negatives, remember we need to add 360. But I need to convert this back into degrees, so I can do that. Negative pi over 2, 180 over pi, that cancels. Negative 180 over 2 is negative 90. So this is the same as tangent of negative 90 degrees. If I add 360 degrees, that's tangent of 270. So I found my coterminal angle from my negative angle. First I converted it into degrees, then I added 360. So that is going to be sine of 270 over cosine of 270. So sine of 270 is negative 1. Cosine of 270 is 0. Therefore, this is undefined. So we will practice our unit circle some more in class tomorrow.